Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain the concept enumeration in Java. Okay, so even we'll call that one as what enum, and most of the programming languages will support what enumeration. Now we will see what's the difference between enum in other programming languages and in Java. So first, when we will go for what enum, if there is any named constant, for that named constant, if you want to give a common name, in that case we'll go for what enumeration. Okay, and the syntax is first you have to go with the keyword enum and you have to give some name, and next we can list all the grouped constant named constants. Okay, so here I written out an example with name enum month with the named constant January to December. So there's one more example enum beer with named constant kf ko rc as well as what fo. Okay, and whatever the semicolon I'm using here, that is what optional, either you can use that one or you can skip that one, so that will not make any difference. And in Java started supporting this enumeration or enum from 1.5 version onwards. Okay, before 1.5 there is no enumeration in what Java. Okay, and what's the main objective of using what enumeration in what Java? Just to create what our own data types. Suppose if we consider uh, so in Java we have so many built-in data types or primitive data types. So one of the primitive data type is what byte. So using byte I can store values from minus 128 to plus 127, means totally I can save 256 values. Okay, yeah. Now if you consider this enum month, I can store what 12 values starting from January to December. If you consider this beer, I can store values from kf, ko, rc as well as what fo, means I can store 4 values. Means this is another way of declaring what our own data types, and we'll call that one as what enumerated data types. Okay, when compared to already I told there are so many languages will support what enumeration. So when compared to other programming languages, Java enumeration is what more powerful. The reason is in Java enumeration along with named constant like January, February up to December, if you consider what month, we can have our own variable, our own constructor, so we can declare what constructor as well as what methods. Okay, this makes enumeration in Java more powerful compared to any other programming languages. Okay, yeah. So next we will see internal representation. Suppose if I write enum beer with two named constant kf and what rc, this will be considered internally by Java as what class beer. Even though I'm writing what enum beer, internally Java will be considered that one as what class beer with two objects. Means if I write two constant, two objects will be created with the reference name kf as well as what rc. Okay, and this two by default will be what public, static and what final. Okay, every enum will be considered as what class in class internally, and constant is always what public, static and final. And enum constant represents what object of type what enum. Okay, this two will represent object of type what enum. Okay, yeah. Now we'll consider what on a complete program. So there's a enum beer with four named constant. There's a class test with a public, static, void admin. So already I told this four are what by default public, static and what final. So if any member is what static, and if you want to access that one outside the enum or outside the class, how to access that one? You have to access only through class name. Correct, right? Any member if you want to access, and that member is what static, then you have to go with what class name. Otherwise you have to go with what object name. Since it is what static, if you want to access, I have to go with only name of enum name. Enum name is what br.kf. If you want to access ko, br.ko, rc, br.rc, fo, br.fo. Okay, now this will going to become an object. So if you want to access this, if you want to refer this one, I need a one reference type, and reference type should be what of type br. Why? Because this is of type what br. That's the reason you have written brb equal to br.kf. And if you write system.out.println b, you will get output as what kf. This kf got printed. Even though this object, why we got kf? Why? Because if you write just b, internally this will be taken as what b dot two strings. So we're going to use what on method two string internally, means we are not supposed to write that code. Okay, internally Java will going to consider that one as what b dot two string, and it will convert that object into what one string type, and that's the reason you'll get output as what kf. Suppose if it's br.ko, you'll get ko. If it's br.ifo, you'll get fo. Okay, this one br.fo, you'll get output as what fo. Okay, yeah. Now what are the different ways of writing what enum? So enum you can write outside the class or within the class. If you write within the class, that is just like a nested class. or inner class. Okay, and if you try to write enum within a method, it will going to throw out error. This is not allowed. Writing within a method is not allowed. Either you can write outside the class or you can write what inside the class. Both are what allowed. If you're writing what outside the class, this access modifiers we can apply for this enum. Okay, either public, default or strict fp can be applied for what this enum if you are writing what outside the class. And if you are writing what inside the class, in that case, along with public, default and strict fb, you can apply what private, protected as well as what static. Inside 6 access modifier, outside 3 access modifier. And if you write within a method, you'll get what error. Okay, yeah. And now we'll see enum versus switch statement. So up to 1.4 version of what your Java, there is no concept called also enum. So switch will not support what any enum if you use enum in below what 1.5. So for this p, whatever the value you are passing, if you pass enum and the version is what below 1.5, it will going to throw out error. So only from 1.5 version onwards, it will start supporting enum along with this 4. So from 1.7 onwards, it will start supporting what even string along with this 5. Okay, so for this b, if you want to send what enum, the version should be at least 1.5. For this b, if you want to send including what string along with int and byte, okay, in that case that version should be what at least 1.7. okay, yeah. So this is with respect to different versions and what are the different values the switch will going to support. Now we'll see what complete program. So I have taken out on beer with the 4 named constant kf, ko, rc as well as what fo, kingfisher, knockout, royal challenge and the fos. It's a class with name or test within which there's a public static void admin. I think you can understand this notation br.kf. Why? Because this is static. If you want to access, you have to access only through class name. So sorry, enum name or class name. Okay, therefore written br.kf. And this is also, you know why, because this is an object, so reference type should be what of type br, so we are written brb. So you are written switch b, so which will be executed, this case will be what executed. So you'll get our output, it's a children brand, some message you'll get whatever written that one. Okay, suppose if it is ko, you'll get this one. If it is what ifo, you'll get this one. Otherwise you'll get this default output. Okay, and whenever using what switch statement, you have to be careful. If you are whatever the value you're writing here, and that should be defined within what your enum. Okay, here that should be what defined. If it is not defined, in that case it will go to throw out error. See, written case Kalyani. So Kalyani is not defined within what enum, and if you write that value using what case, at that time it will go to throw out error. So you have to be careful. And if you want to use what Kalyani, define that one within the enum. Then if you use, you will not get what any error. This is with respect to switch statement in what enum. Okay, so next concept I'll going to explain in the next video. Thank you. Okay, yeah, first you copy this main heading enumeration and write down the definition. So write down this definition and syntax with these 2 example and write down this 4 points. After that you write internal implementation of enum, you write on this one. If you write enum, that will be considered as a class internally by what Java. Okay, and diagram. Next, enum declaration usage. So how to access what named constant within what enum. Okay, yeah. So after that we have writing what enum. So inside the class, outside the class, but within a method is not possible. And whatever the access specifier, it is what supported. Okay, next one is switch what enum. So different versions and what are the values that will be supported by your switch statement. And finally write on this program and you will get this output. Why? Because this is a kf. And you have to be careful while writing what switch statement. Even I write on this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you.